Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing swatches of the Huda Beauty Tiger Wild Obsessions eyeshadow palette. The palette retails for $29 and is available on the Sephora and Huda Beauty websites. The palette features 9 shades that are a mix of 5 mattes and 4 metallics. The palette also features a decent sized mirror and is extremely travel friendly because it fits into the palm of your hand. So if you would like to see swatches of this palette, just keep on watching. Just so that this video isn't ridiculously long, I'll be giving you my thoughts on the palette as I do the swatches. I use my Morphe R32 brush to do the swatches, and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. I'm starting with the first row going left to right. All the shades had really good pigmentation and little fallout. The mattes feel buttery and are ridiculously vibrant and are the stars of the show. The metallics along with the others in this collection are pressed really hard but are incredibly creamy. Unfortunately, this color story isn't original and can be found numerous times in the Huda Beauty lineup. But I like the versatility that this palette can bring, so I'm torn. If you can afford the splurge, I feel like this palette is well worth the money, but if not, just wait for it to go on sale. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notifications. And I hope to see you all soon. Bye.